Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Matt Figueroa here, or Fig as my friends and family call me. We're out here in Hickory Run State Park attempting to find the Sayreville Dam today. There's some people walking by. I had to duck the camera down. I didn't want them to judge me. Alright, so we might not be alone on the trail today. But we're gonna try to muster on through that. So we're working on the create portion of this channel today. Gonna take some really nice waterfall shots. Hopefully. We'll see how they come out. Let's get started. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be, but I made it work. So right now I got the A7R3 out with a 24-70 lens on it and an ND filter that's rocking the front of it right now. So I got the A7R3 out here with a 24-70 GMASTER lens, and I've got a K&F ND filter, 1000 grade. I don't even know if that's the right way to say it, but I got an ND filter on the front of it, and we're getting some pretty buttery shots here of this waterfall feature. I had friends with me, but I guess I bored them, so they left. Nah, they had their German Shepherd with them. Their dog was getting hungry, so they went back to the car. And I'm probably gonna head out soon too. Just want to try to get a few more shots and work on my B-roll. Because I found out today that I suck at B-roll. I mean, I knew I sucked at B-roll, but I didn't realize how terrible at B-roll I was until I bought this little thing, this WEEBILL S, and I still suck at B-roll. So terrible at B-roll. I don't know what. I guess B-roll is just not my thing, and it's supposed to be pretty simple to use. I'm not getting that. I'm kind of like thinking it's not so user-friendly. But maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm not as technically savvy as I thought I was. But nonetheless, we bought it, we paid for it, so we're gonna make it work. I mean, you're gonna see in this video, the B-roll is gonna be terrible, but eventually it's gonna get better. It's all about practice. So let's get back to it. So in the process of shooting B-roll, I also had a drone out here with me. I have a Mavic Pro 2 that I crashed for the first time ever today. In that tree. I don't know how I didn't see the tree on my phone as I was playing with the joysticks, but yeah, it hit the tree, it landed in the water. It's been a rough morning. All right, let's head on out of here. Oh, thorn bush, ow, 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 damn it. Whew. All right. Well, I'd say that was a successful morning. So let's hike this mile back to the Jeep. Get some food. I'm hungry. Oh man. All right, made it back to Sasha. Sweet. And nobody broke into her. Awesome. All right, let's pack everything up and get on out of here. If you knew all the nonsense I went through with that WEEBILL S, you'd understand why I'm about to chuck it in the river. Nah, we're not gonna do that. It's not a terrible product. I just haven't learned how to really use it yet. But I'll get there. I don't have a choice. I paid for it. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna master it one way or another. Or I will chuck it into a river somewhere. All right, Jeep's all packed up. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you know, into this sort of thing. Or not, I don't know. Can't tell you how to live your life. So, till next time, peace out.